on guys, let's make enugu abacha today. It's so yummy. I have been longing for this abacha for a long time. So come, let's make this together in this video. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, guess what we are about to prepare, guys. Just take a look at the ingredients and guess what are we preparing. So today we are preparing enugu abacha. You can take a look at our oil. This is enugu oil, all the way from Enugu, Nigeria down to UK. You can feel it, you can see the oil. Let me bring it closer so that you feel it, feel the oil. This is all the way from Nigeria, Enugu, Nigeria. So this is enugu oil down to London, UK. So you can see our Ugba. Guys, take a look at now our Ugba all the way from Enugu, Nigeria down to UK. Guys, you can see our OPV. Oh, can you see? See our OPV, very fresh, all the way from Nigeria down to UK, London. All the way from Nigeria down to London, UK. So this is our uncle. And this is our pepper. This is our dry pepper. Yeah. Here is my ehuru nutmeg, calabash nutmeg, the grounded one. So here is my grounded Oziza seed. I don't know the name in English. And this is my Maggi, no Maggi. This is my seasoning cube. This is my bongo abacha. This is my abacha. So this is my abacha. So our ingredients are complete. So let's go on. So first of all, I'm going to be steaming my Ugba. So in an empty pot, I'll pour in this Ugba and steam it. Then we proceed to the next step. So guys, inside the pot, I'll be pouring in my Ugba. Some people don't steam this, but I'm going to steam this one. I'm going to add in a little water. I'll add in a little salt. I'll add in a little Maggi. And I'll be adding in my ungo or uncha. And cover it up to boil so it will get soft. So I'll just cover it up while I dissolve my ungo. So in an empty plate, I'll be pouring in my ungo or uncha. I'll pour it water and dissolve. So this is our ungo. Just pour it water, so I'll go on to dissolve it. So after dissolving it, I'll allow it to settle before I extract the liquid. Remember, so I'll be adding it a little of this ungo. This is just to soften it the more. I will turn it, allow it to continue to steam. So guys, we are going to soak our abacha. So this is our abacha. I'll bring out the quantity I want and put it inside this bowl. So to this, I'll be pouring in warm water and not hot water. I'll allow it to soak for a minute. So please don't use hot water for this. Use warm water rather. I'll allow it to soak for some minutes before I pour it out. So at this junction, I'll go on to wash it out. So what I said, I will set it aside. So let's check our Ugba. So this is our Ugba, and our Ugba is set. taking it off the heat. So in an empty pan, I'll go on to toast my pepper.
Roast the pepper until the aroma is filling everywhere, like choking.
So I'll go on to take it off the heat.
Transfer the pan back to the heat. On a medium heat, I'll be roasting in my grounded crayfish, and now to it, I'll be adding in my grounded calabash nutmeg. I will toast everything, roast it until I start perceiving the aroma. So I will take it off from the heat.
So guys, let's get into the process. This is my oil. Like I said, this oil is Enugu oil, all the way from Enugu, Nigeria, down to London, UK. So I'll be opening it up. So I don't have to melt my oil. So I'll be pouring in my oil inside the pot. So to my oil, I'll be pouring in my ungo. This is my dissolved ungo. So I'll allow this to settle. I'll just be pouring it a little bit. And I'll go on to turn it. So I'll add in more of the ungo. So I'll add in more of the oil. So there are many processes you can use to make your abacha. This is one of the processes. In my village, this is more like Enugu abacha. I am from Abia State. It's so precisely, and in my village, in so general, we have our own type of abacha. We call it iwungo. So what I'm making is more like Enugu abacha. So this is our ungo. Our ungo is ready. So to this ungo, I'll be pouring in this pepper, then use the back of this to pieces it like pieces it now a bit. Yes, pieces it they used to call it. So I'll use the back of this to not do this way, so that as I did not grind it, I will just have to use the back of this. Then my grandma, that's how she used to do it. She will not do it this way. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. So you should not use the back of the eku. We call this thing eku in our village. I don't know. So we have is the wounding spatula. So we call it eku. Don't know what you guys call it in your native language. In my native language, we call it eku. So I'll use it to pieces the pepper. Okay, I believe it's all well pieces. So to this, I'll be adding in my crayfish. Right, remember that crayfish? My crayfish and my egg. I'll add it bit by bit. Turn it in. So to this, I'll be adding a little of my Ozeza seed grinded one. So to this, I'll be adding in my ugiri. Remember the ugiri. So this is my ugiri. I'll be adding a little. This one. So I'll be adding in my ugiri. Adding a little more. This everywhere is not smell. Hey. So my sister taught me how to preserve this ogiri. So when they were bringing it all the way from Nigeria, She added salt to it and mixed everything. They say the salt helps to preserve it. They say the salt helps to preserve it for a longer time. I don't know, so I learned that one from her. So this is me mixing the ogiri. So I go on to turn everything together. I'll add in my salt. Have a taste of it.
I never knew I paused my video, but anyways, I ended up adding in all the roasted crayfish and calabash nutmeg and stir everything, taste it, and it's okay. So I proceed to add in my abacha bit by bit. As I add, I turn it into the mixture, ungu mixture. I ensure I stir well. So guys, if you watch this point, that means you're liking this video. Kindly like and share my video to reach to more people. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell button so that you get my notification when I post a new video. So at this point, I'll be adding in more abacha to the already mixed one. I will go ahead to add in my okpaka. Did you remember the okpaka we cooked? So I'll add it at this point. Then I'll go ahead to mix everything together just to incorporate the abacha and the ugba together properly. Guys, this is giving. This enugu abacha is giving. So I'll go ahead to taste. Just to taste it, ensure that everything is well. It's the salt and everything, it's well, came out well, and it's so yummy, guys. It's so yummy. Just take a look at our abacha now. Just take a look at her. Who said that you can't eat your African food anywhere you are? Who said so? Me. As far as I'm in this London, I've decided that any African food I want to eat, I'm going to eat it to the fullest. So guys, no darling, please eat, enjoy yourself, eat your native abacha and your native food. Anywhere you are, you can always order it. So guys, just take a look at my abacha and take a look at my enugu abacha. Is it not giving? Is it not giving? Is it not giving? Yes guys, so I'll go ahead to serve this abacha. I'm going to serve it with my sliced onion. You can go on to serve with your garden egg, with your fried fish, but this one I'm serving it with my onion. So I'll go on to serve it. So this is me tasting it more. I can't stop. I was unable to stop tasting because guys, the thing was so yummy. Yeah, so guys, so I'll go ahead to serve it. I'll go ahead to serve this. Like I said, you can serve it with your garden egg, serve it with your onion, fried fish, but more. But me, I'm serving mine with onion. I'm going to serve this with onion. So I'll go ahead to garnish it with my onion. So guys, at this point, kindly like and subscribe to my channel, share this video to reach to more people, turn on the bell button so that you get my notification when I post a new video. To my subscribers, I love you so much. And to my intended subscribers, feel free, this is a fun place to be. Subscribe to my channel and there are lots to learn. Yes guys, to the remaining ungo, you don't have to throw it away. Just transfer to your container and keep it for the next use. You can as well extract the juice and put in your fridge. That's okay. And to my abacha, just spread it. Of course, you can see there's some remaining. Just spread it so that it can dry. Package it for next use. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.